to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge browser. So this is on my laptop, and now I'll open my Chrome Microsoft Edge, not Chrome, Microsoft Edge browser, and I'll set Google as the default search engine. So this is my Microsoft Edge browser. See here, yeah, it is up to date. I need to click on the three dots at the right top corner. See here, three dots, and then click on settings. So this will open Microsoft settings, Microsoft Edge browser settings, and at the left side you will see something like search and services. Okay, this option you need to click. Yeah, tap on this and you need to scroll to the bottom. There will be a option called, yeah, address bar and search. See this one, this you need to click on this, and here you will see something like manage search engines. So you need to tap on this. Here all the search engines will be available. Google is also available. If you want any other third party, you can also add with the URL. Okay, I'll click on back and see here search engine used in the address bar. Address bar in the sense this is the address bar. So you need to click on the drop down. By default, if it is not Google, you need to click on the drop down and click on Google. Now your address bar is with Google. So whatever you search with something on the Microsoft Edge address bar, the results will be with the Google search. I'll show you. See, as soon as I open, it came up with the Google as the home page. If you want this way, I'll drop in the description, you can watch that video. I already did that. See here on the address bar, I'll search something here, and the result will be in the how to take a screenshot in laptop. See, the result is with the Google search. This is just because I have set the option there that the default search engine is Google. So whatever I search in the address bar, the result will be shown in the Google search, not Bing or not Yahoo or not another thing. Whatever you said there, that will work as the search engine. See here, this is the Google. So this is how you can make Google as the default search engine in Microsoft Edge.